In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cartoon animation videos in Canva. First, head to Canva and look for the Templates section on the homepage. Click on Templates to open Canva's full library. This is where you'll find professionally designed layouts that already include scenes, animation styles, and visual pacing, which saves a ton of time and yet helps your video look polished from the start. Next, use the search bar and type cartoon video. This narrows the library to animated templates with a playful, illustrated look. You'll see options tailored for different platforms and moods. If you have a destination in mind, like a widescreen video for YouTube or a vertical short for social, glance at the aspect ratio labels so you choose a size that fits where you plan to share it. Now, take a moment to browse the results. Hover over a template to preview its motion or open one to see the individual scenes. Check the number of pages, the pacing between animations, and the general style. Bold and colorful for kids, clean and minimalist for explainers, or something quirky for a fun announcement. Look at the color palette and typography to make sure they match your brand or message. Also consider readability. Big, high-contrast text works best in animated videos, especially when viewers are on smaller screens. When you've found a template that matches your vision, click Customize this template. Canva will load the design into the editor, with all scenes listed along the timeline or pages panel. You now have a working project you can tailor to your content. From here, start editing the template to fit your story. Replace placeholder text with your script, keeping lines short and focused so they animate cleanly. Adjust fonts and colors to align with your brand, and maintain strong contrast so captions and titles stay legible over moving backgrounds. Swap out illustrations or icons by opening the Elements tab and searching for cartoon-style graphics. Try filtering for graphics instead of photos so everything feels consistent. If you need to reposition items, use the alignment guides to keep layouts balanced. Refine animations by selecting an element and opening the animation controls to tweak how it enters or exits. Adjust timing by selecting a page and setting the duration so each scene has enough time to read comfortably. Use duplicate to repeat a layout you like, and keep transitions consistent across scenes for a smooth, professional flow. Press play to preview your video from start to finish, then make small tweaks to pacing, text size, and color until everything feels cohesive. And that's how you create cartoon animation videos in Canva.